Alright, so today we're going to be changing a electrolytic capacitor that blew off of this board. This Nintendo 64 board right here. Just totally gone. So you could find this. You can get a capacitor kit, Nintendo 64 SMD capacitor kit off the internet. It just gives you every capacitor on the board, the 33s, the 68s, and the 220s. So this one's going to be a 68, and we're just going to solder this back onto the board, because clearly that's the main issue right now. So I'm just going to make this a little easy. Just came back from the gym, so my hands are a little shaky. I'm on pre-workout. Oh, there's a piece on this. Didn't even see that. Oh, there we go. Whatever. Now this is polarized, so it's gotta go facing left here. Otherwise it's gonna go boom. Now these, it's got like this little black protector at the bottom. They have like these little black protectors, so you're gonna have to pull the pins out a little bit, or you can just take it off and solder it on, but it doesn't really matter. Just make sure that on this C140 the band is facing left. Put it right on. It's on here. Go. Capacitor's back on, and we just have to test it. Alright, so as you can see, everything is now set up, and we're ready to turn it on. This is my game. So we're going to turn it on, and
okay,
there you go, you hear it, and there we go. So that's a cap replacement right here on the C140, 68 microfarads. Again, you can get the capacitor kit online, and that was all for this 64. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit with some contact cleaner and get the rust off, and it's good to go.